Hey everyone, so I often get questions, especially for new customers using Employee Central Payroll of, okay, how does SAP announce and help us stay on top of legal updates? And so the answer to that question is SAP has a regulatory change manager. So this has evolved over the year. So, and you can see that there's the ability now where they're adding natural language, right? Latest regulatory changes in Germany. But you can also just click here to all regulatory changes, and then this allows you to search for a specific product, in this case Employee Central Payroll, and enter a specific region. You can even use natural language to search for something very specific, and even look at effective dates, so the most obvious things you want. And so this is already sorted here. And then I think one of the really cool features that they've added is now adding Joule to the regulatory change manager. And so now you can ask questions on things. Let's say you're new here, you don't understand, like, okay, what might be coming, and you just want to know about a specific change, right? And so in this case, I'll ask a question, hey, tell me about updates to Form 941 that are impacted for this current year, 2025. And so now this actually comes back and says, hey, there's a change for Q1 regarding the update for it. It was published by the IRS in February, and it's effective April 30th, 2025. Here's what it impacts, et cetera, et cetera. And then the cool thing is it can even take you to that change. And so now I can click this and I'm taken to, okay, Form 941, it's Q1 2025. It's for ECP, as you can see. It's a legal change is mandatory. And then it actually gives references to the legislation and stuff too, right? And so if I click this, you can see in the bottom left that it's going to take me to the IRS update for this. So overall, very, very helpful in terms of staying on top of legal updates. The fact that, one, you can come here and look at it, search for it, but now you can use AI to stay on top of it. And then if you look at it, you can even subscribe to specific updates as you stay on top of it. So yeah, this is how you would do regulatory changes in Employee Central Payroll. Thanks.